Hello everyone and welcome back to another quick tutorial on my channel, and today we're again in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and one of the most basic tasks which as an administrator you should have is, or basically which you should know, is on how to add users and how to remove users and how to give each user a license and so forth. So first of all, you need to access the admin center. And once you're here, you're gonna go over to users and then down below active users. Once you're here, you will see every user that is already active within the organization. And you can either you can adjust already existing users. For example, Chun-Li, we want to give her a license. Currently, she is unlicensed, so we're gonna give her the 365 Business Basic license and save changes. And now when we head back, as you can see here, previously she was unlicensed. Now she is licensed. And if you're wondering where the name is from, this is from Tekken. Yes, I am a Tekken fan. Now, next up, how you add users is pretty simple. Pretty easy. You click over here on add users. So as soon as you click here, you will basically have a few things which you should fill out, right? Basics to get started, you fill out the name. So let's type in a name. Let's go with, I don't know, Jet Li, right? So that's the name of the person within the organization, and a display name. Again, domain, if you have your own domain, you can change them here. Generally, you can also specify which domain should be standard um, within your organization. That's all a different topic. However, username should be something pretty straightforward. Now, a lot of organizations go with either first name dot last name, or a lot go with a first initial of the first name dot and then the last name. So that's all up to you. I'm gonna go with jet.lee, and that's it. Then you can specify automatically create a password, or you want to change and give him yourself a password. I'm going to leave it at create automatically one. And then the first thing here is require this user to change the password when they first sign in. That's also very handy when you want a user to basically give out their own password. And then this last one I would always do, send password to an email upon completion. Once you've created this, maybe put here an admin account or admin mail address, or maybe there is a team of IT admins. And if you haven't specified this one here, then you could basically choose a recipient mail address. Once we've done here, we're going to go to product licenses, and here you basically assign a product license to the new user. We're going to give him a business basic license, and you can also set the location where the person's data is going to be stored. Next up, we're going to go right. You could either click on next, or you click on the left on the optional settings, or finish, whatever. Right. Next up, the optional settings. You can adjust roles of the new user, right? So you could either give the person no admin center access, or you could give the person admin center access and further specify it, right? So we're going to give him in this example just a help desk administrator role. I'm going to be breaking down the roles in a separate video, right? But for now, I'm just going to give him that. And profile information, you could give him a few. We're just going to type in job title. He is an IT administrator, or let's say he is IT support department IT, and yeah, we're just going to keep it like that. City, none of that. We're not going to be changing that. That is Germany, since we're based in Germany right here. And then we click on next. And then you have an overview or a review and a finish site over everything you've entered. And once you finish adding, right, the user will be added, and that's it. Jet Li added to active users. When we go close, we can see Jet Li is now here. Now, that's basically how you create a user. And to delete a user, you simply check the box, and you could either delete the user here, or you could also do it here. And that's basically all there is to it. That's how you add a new user or delete a user or assign a different license in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. As always, thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.